I'm in Austin, Texas, at home. Um, so I've thought deeply about leadership for maybe 35 years, starting with the science of it. So I've got a doctorate in organizational science. I've pursued leadership as a scholarly subject. I've done it as a very practical subject in terms of organizational change and leadership development. And certainly I've done it for myself as a practice. So here's what I've learned about leadership. I think I think most of the world is mistaken about it. I believe that leadership is a consequence. It's a side effect of being in pursuit towards a big important thing. And since it's bigger than you attract others. So my belief is that leadership starts with assuming responsibility for something, right? It could be a project, it could be an initiative, it could be a journey. I like to call it a gap in the universe, right? That's what I did. I found a gap in the universe. I found a big thing that nobody else was paying attention to, and it bothered me. So if it bothered me, then that meant I got to do something about it. And that was that, huge misunderstanding about what responsibility is and how it works in the mind. So, uh, so I think true leadership starts with stepping up to take ownership of some space, some problem space or solution space or challenge. And then it means attracting others because it's bigger than you. And the good news is that if you don't have the stripes on your sleeve, if you're not a manager, if you don't have authority, if you don't have people signed to you, then the way that you attract followers is through your example, your inspiration, right? And that's true leadership. So here's what you can do to get started today. Just look at what's on your plate and find something there that you want to pursue with greatness. You want to take 100% responsibility for it. Dedicate yourself to it. Commit yourself to it. Make sure that there's a fundamental change happening in what you're doing to it. And then don't be very surprised when you turn around and see followers. Send all your questions to me at hello@responsibility.com. I look forward to hearing from you.